Okay. Have you seen this before?
No, let me go. Let me have a go.
You ready?
Can I try?
Yeah, push quickly through the center.
Oh, I love that.
The day is finally upon us, team. We have decided upon the name for the weekly segment of the show where I show live magic to my wife, Kaylee, and I've decided on the name Fool-er, as in fool her, fooler, with an apostrophe. I think it was suggested by somebody in the comments, so if it was you, please message me, let me know, I'll get something out in the post to you as a little way of saying thank you, but welcome to the first ever official episode of Fooler, where I show my wife live magic and she rates it to see whether she was entertained, whether it was creative, whether she was fooled, and if it gets a bonus point because she liked it that little bit more than usual. And today, I'm going to show Kaylee for the very first time a Sharpie through coin. And then I'm going to expose it to her to see her reaction. She's my wife, she's the magician's wife. There's not much she hasn't seen, and sometimes she gets more satisfaction out of seeing how things work than me just continually trying to show her and fool her with new things. So stick around for the end of the video and you'll see her reaction to the method of the Sharpie through coin, which we all know and love already. So with that all said and done, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and settle in to watch this week's episode of Fooler.
Am I in the shot?
Welcome to another segment of Fooler. This is an awkward one because I want you to stand like this, like you're the audience.
I'm too close.
I know.
Okay.
Right, there. You're going to be the eyes of the audience.
Okay.
We have
I'll set it
coin.
all out for you guys, don't worry.
coin. You see the coin? Do you want to? You be
We'll
the
have
eyes
a
of
coin, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a look at it, examine it to your heart. Until your heart is content.
Right.
You can look at the camera so they can see your reaction at the same time. Cool, yeah.
I mean, I feel like I should bite it. I mean, it's real. It's disgusting.
Do you know what those coins? Have you ever tasted a coin anyway?
Yeah, I just did.
Yeah, brilliant. And a Sharpie. Sharpie, make sure it's legit.
I was going to draw myself. Can I draw on you?
Don't draw on me.
Oh.
Draw on yourself though.
No, because I don't want to wash it. I have to wash it off then. It's real.
You should.
Yeah?
Watch the coin. Come and see.
Yeah.
Watch it for the switch. 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 Pull the Sharpie. Pull the Sharpie. Pull the Sharpie. Pull it.
But I just pressed that the middle bit.
Show everyone on the camera.
Like, I don't even know if you can see this. Will you?
I'll come and do this. Focus in for you.
Like this. That's a £2 coin.
Yeah. Turn it around.
And I can't get my finger through. Let me try. Hang on. I'll do this trick now already. Oh, hang on. It's got to be the way you hold it. Sure. Or you just drop it on the floor.
I'll get it for you. Look at the camera, Kale. Tell everybody, what do you think?
Yeah. It's good.
It's a real coin. It's a
Give
genuinely
me a go
real.
then. There's always a way, guys.
How do you keep an idiot in suspense?
Give a £2 coin in the Sharpie. I can't do it.
Okay, really quickly then. Marks for this is not marks for. By the way, it's a real. Marks
It is
for
a real coin.
Fooler, which is creativity, entertainment. Did it fool you? And
Creativity, I loved it. It's a 5 because it's a coin. Obviously, it's a gimmick of some sort.
Nope,
Or it's a real coin.
that's a genuinely real coin on our kid's life.
Yeah, but something must have happened to it.
Try it. Well, look, this is right. Entertainment.
Yeah, I was entertained.
Okay.
It was facts. I like
Creativity.
5.
Entertainment's 5. Nice. Fooler. Did it fool you? You have the coin. You have the Sharpie.
I'm saying a gimmick because I'm sure it has to be some sort
But
of...
you watched really closely on this one when you were the eyes.
Yeah, I was right there. And it went through the middle of there. Wait a minute. I will work this one out.
Yes, please.
I've got it in my
try
hands,
and do it.
so I have to be able to do this.
Because the magicians watching at home, they will know how this is done.
Oh,
What's wrong with that?
right. So
It's not to do with the camera angle, but magicians will know this how this trick is done. Like they know how the ambitious card
the
is.
camera angles is probably the
No,
angle.
I said it's not to do with the camera angle.
Maybe you went like that. I don't know.
Genuinely, because
Like I could see that it was in the middle of the coin.
yeah. Did you see any?
Does this bit come out?
No. I've never showed you this trick ever before, or anything like this one. So I'm really interested to see if it's one of those things you go, oh, it's got to just be that, or if it actually did fool you, for real.
Well, I thought it was a gimmick. But they're both real.
They are actually real. You can go in.
I know. I can smell the coin.
Yeah, it's
I
gross.
just licked it.
Alright, so.
I'm full. I can't.
Bonus point?
Yeah. It's
Really?
really nice. Yeah, because it's fast paced, it's quick, you just go, you can have it, you can examine it, you can try it, and it doesn't work.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's clever. It's really clever. Can I know how it's done?
Yeah, I can show you this then.
Love that.
Alright, so. Yeah, I'll blur this bit out because it's not my secret shit.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so how do you genuinely think it's done?
Yeah. I want to have a go.
Okay. Have you seen this before?
No, let me go. Let me have a go.
You ready?
Can I try?
Yeah, push quickly through the centre.
Oh, I love that.
Wait, watch, ready?
Let me do it again.
Fast.
Wow.
Okay, oh, that was. Okay, you want to see it
Can I do it
exposed?
with my finger? Holy shit. What is that? Whoa.
How cool is that?
I love that.
How cool is that?
Wait, it looks really delicate.
It's actually not.
Someone cut that out so it fits perfectly.
See, you're impressed by that. I'm really impressed that I caught you with sleight of hand. Did you see me switch it at all? Or anything?
No.
Genuine?
Yeah, genuine. I didn't see you switch it.
See, that's made my day. I'm really happy.
Made my day because I learned a new trick.
Yeah, that's true.
That'd
That's good,
be
isn't it?
cool.
Yeah, you can actually, you can do things.
Oh!
You've broken it. I can't believe you've broken
I
it.
haven't broken it.
You're panicking it.
Why?
What's this of you?
Ready?
Yes.
Goes right through.
And then pull your finger out.
Sorry.
Brilliant. Oh, kale.
I love that.
Isn't that great?
It's so great.
So, if you hold that, this is what I did to you. I had you examine it,
Mhm.
and I stole the coin,
Mhm.
and then I had you examine this, and I false transferred it.
And then you did the trick.
Then I positioned it,
And then did.
did that.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Then did the trick.
But what I did was I had you pull it out and then that meant you were preoccupied, and I just handed you this.
How many times can I drop coin?
Brilliant. And then it's gone under the sofa, so it'll never be seen
You'll
again.
get it later.
Right, thank you all. I was pleasantly surprised by your
I
reaction.
like
to
that.
one.
No, I love gimmicks. Oh, not gimmicks. I love tricks that aren't card tricks.
Yeah, that's true.
That
I've
are
seen it that one's gone as well.
everyday ideas brought to you by Clumsy Fools.
See you on the next episode of Fooler next Thursday. I hope you all enjoyed today's week's episode of Fooler. Tune back in on Sunday for a live Sunday session with special guest Bo Kremer, who is in to jam and talk things all creativity with us. If you don't know Bo, he is the social media guy at Murphy's, but he also happens to be a creative superstar, and you guys are going to be in for a treat because he's going to show us some really cool stuff. Then on Tuesday, as always, we're back with the Tutorial Tuesdays, which you all seem to love. And if you haven't done so already, remember to hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you can be among the first to watch the videos. And with all that being said and done, I will see you folks on Sunday for the Sunday session.